Okay, make some comments below and make sure you follow my videos here. It's all about Macau. And here I am at the airport. I'm going to walk through and you're going to see some of the results of COVID and you're going to see exactly what it looks like right now in this state. So, okay, I hope you enjoy. Make sure that you do a thumbs up too on my, do it right now.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is the airport of Macau, and it looks pretty empty. There's one person there. Okay, I think everything looks pretty quiet. This COVID area today is 22nd of March, and this is the departures is up, and this would be people coming in. So maybe we should go up. This is I think it's just the arrivals. I think this is supposed to be the arrivals, but nobody's coming in. Maybe in a minute we'll come back and we can just see if there's anybody, any planes that are scheduled to come in. So up here is the departures, and it looks really quiet. So it looks like it's shut down. Huh. Let's just kind of see. There's a few people around. Let me just take a look here. Let's see, there's two flights here. There's one at 10 o'clock at night, one at 11 o'clock. Chengdu, Shanghai. All the other ones are canceled. Oh, Xiamen, there's one at Xiamen. Everything is canceled. All those flights are canceled. Let's just see if there's another one. All these, yeah, there's Manila. Everything is canceled. Huh. Let's see if there's another round. All those are canceled as well. And then I think they just, at the beginning they had two that were two at night flights. Yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, almost everything is closed. Everything is closed. There's nobody in any of these. Oh, actually those were canceled too. So when I first came in, I thought it said, thought there was two night flights, but that was, so actually everything is canceled except for one flight to Xiamen. So those are all the flights for today. And yeah, everything is in the red. Huh. Okay. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just walk through the airport, then we're gonna head on down. So yeah, this is actually, yeah, there's actually, looks like some of that might actually be open. There's a health check, so they'll check as you, okay, yeah, everything is closed. All right. Oh, there's some people here. Huh, in the past this would be all, you wouldn't be able to come in here. So this is one to Xiamen. So this is the one flight that's leaving today to Xiamen. So there's actually people flying in and out of Xiamen today. Huh. I didn't think there'd be any flights going anywhere. So yeah, there's the one flight. Xiamen, 17:45. Huh. 7-11. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head back down, and yeah, this is the airplane. So we're gonna head back down to the arrivals, and we're just gonna see if anything's coming in today. There's somebody, looks like they came in. So actually Macau airport is pretty small. So let's just see, tourist information. They might actually work here. So usually people would come in this area. Tourist information, that's empty. Okay, these are all the arrivals. It's written in Chinese, and then it'll switch to other languages too. All canceled. So everything's canceled except for this one flight to Xiamen that's coming in at nighttime. Everything else is canceled. So let's just see if you can see that. So everything's canceled except for that Xiamen. And all these desks are empty. Huh. Pretty interesting. So this is what the Macau airport looks like right now. So you just got people going to Xiamen. Okay, let's just take a look at this one too. So everything here is canceled. Canceled, canceled, canceled. Everything is canceled. Okay. Looks like they must maybe. I'm gonna guess that they work here. I don't know, because usually you're not allowed to go in that way. So I would think only employees could go that way. Wow. So this is the airport, Macau airport. One flight that goes out. Actually, I think right now it's like about 4 o'clock, I think. So, so I don't know, those might be just the things that were usually scheduled for today at 4 o'clock onward. I didn't see anything from the morning, but basically I think we can assume that almost everything is canceled. And there's that one flight that goes in and out of Xiamen. I don't know why Xiamen. Currency exchange, I wonder if the rates go up or down. Okay, anyways, this is Macau airport, so that's a little tour of what it looks like during COVID. I'll give you a little background of what's going on. Well, I think I can let you see what's going on. So, all right. So that's the airport right there.